Good morning, everybody. How are we today? It is the start of our brand new week. We are now in the month of May. So let's get started. Friends, we need 2 hands to start our good morning song and 2 fingers. Are you ready? Okay, sing with me. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good. Thank you for joining me. Now let's look. The last day that we were here for morning meeting was Friday, and we had the number 1. And then we had Saturday and Sunday. So we need to fill in our colors. So we had orange first. Our next color is going to be green. So Miss Sarah is just going to color in green here on Saturday. We also need the next color for Sunday. We need the color pink. So Miss Sarah's going to go over to Sunday and color in pink. Now we need to fill in the numbers that we missed on our calendar for Saturday and Sunday. If we have the number 1, what number comes next? 1, very good. 2, 3, very good. Wait, so then if we know that yesterday was the number 3, what number do we need today? 3. Oh, very good, you guys. We need the number 4. So Miss Sarah's going to write the number 4 in there. Now let's talk about what day it is. Yesterday was Sunday. You say it with me. Sunday. Today is Monday. Very good. Monday. We need to color in Monday's box. We have orange, green, pink. Orange, green, pink. Now we have to start our pattern all over again. Yellow/orange, right? Yellow. So Miss Sarah is going to use her crayon and color it in. Very good. So today is Monday, the 4th. Can you say the date with me? Today is Monday, May 4, 2020. Today is Monday, today is Monday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday, ding dong, ding, ding dong, ding. Now we are going to sing our days of the week song. There are 7 days in the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to get started.
Seven days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week.
Very good, you guys. Now I'm going to talk about our lesson plan for today. Miss Lily and I will be doing our virtual teaching videos today, as well as posting those virtual teaching videos. So if you are not able to join us, you can follow along with those videos later. For Monday today, for reading and writing, we have our welcome bienvenido song today and having your child write their first and last name. For example, you can write the name of your child first and then have them copy it. First name, last name. For math today, we are going to count to 30, rote counting. So that means just counting 1 to 30, no objects, and counting in order. Let's practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. For science and social studies today, we have our song and video by Miss Insera, our global music teacher. She taught the students this song. To add to the song, you can pretend with your child that you are sitting in a rowboat. You can sit on your floor with chairs and line them up in a line and pretend that you guys are rowing down the Amazon River. For recess today, there is a Go Noodle video activity. And for social emotional learning, talk with your child again about emotions, happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous. When do they feel these emotions? When do they become angry? When do they feel sad? And how can they help themselves or let you know that they're feeling this way? Miss Lily and I will be posting things on Google Classroom, questions of the day, our calendar, and any other activities for the students. You can also find the lesson plan linked on the Google Classroom. See you guys later.